Look how sad my boy is. Look at this right here. Oh my God, look how sad he is. Oh my God, please have sex with him. Please. What was that at the end? Oh my God, Michael Jackson over here. Bro was like, please. Is that your man? Is that your man?
No.
Oh shit. How do you know these two people?
We're siblings.
Oh shit. Are you two gonna make? I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you. I'm fucking with you. Are you two gonna make love tonight? Ooh, let's ask the lady. Are we gonna make love tonight?
No.
Oh no.